Welcome to this brand bite size. In this video we're going to talk about how phased annuity purchase works. Phased annuity purchase involves gradually crystallising funds over time rather than accessing the entire pension pot in one go. With each crystallisation, 25% of the amount is taken as Pension Commencement Lump Sum, or PCLS. This is tax-free. The remaining 75% is used to purchase an annuity, providing taxable income. This method allows individuals to tailor their income year by year, depending on their needs and the tax situation. Let's look at a worked example. Meet John. He's 65 and he's a basic rate taxpayer. He decides to start drawing benefits from his personal pension under phased retirement using an annuity. If annuity rates are 5.3% and he crystallises funds worth £20,000, his total net income in year one would be £5,636. Let's break that down. 25% of £20,000 equals £5,000 tax-free PCLS. This leaves £15,000, which is used to purchase an annuity. Annuity income at 5.3% of £15,000 is £795 gross. As a basic rate taxpayer, John pays 20% income tax on the annuity. This means the net income he receives is £636. So his total net income is the £5,000 PCLS plus the £636 net annuity income. This totals £5,636. In year two, John would continue to receive a net income of £636 from the annuity purchased in year one. Therefore, to achieve the same level of income, he could crystallise a smaller amount in year two. In your exam, even if a question doesn't explicitly state that PCLS is taken, if it refers to a phased annuity purchase, it is assumed that PCLS forms part of the income. This is a fundamental feature of the phased retirement strategy. It allows individuals to draw both tax-free cash and taxable income from their pension in a flexible and tax-efficient way. Over time, the income stream builds as more annuities are purchased with each crystallisation. In future years, because the individual already has a portion of income from annuities, they may need to encash less to maintain the same income level. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.